Hi guys! Nagluto si Kuan guys.
I don't think that.
No. Ang yang giluto. Ano yung giluto mo?
Chicken dancing. Oh my gosh!
He's cooking a chicken. Wow. See? Chicken pa na ha. Oh, see? Wala pa na. Wala pa yung pangasahog. Room tour tayo guys. Pasok mo, pinto. Little CR namin. Kitchen. Pantry. Laundry. Computer area. And then, bed. O, diba? Ganda, no? All around. Lucky. Hi! That's it. Bye!